Now we are going to review exponent rules. I recommend that you copy all the rules in your memory book and in your notebook and try to follow the solving the questions in the order that I give you. I promise you it's going to be very easy and you will not be making mistakes. So this is the order that I recommend you follow. I will first write all the rules and then I will give you each rule separately. So first apply zero rule, then power rule, then the rule with the negative exponent, then product rule, quotient rule, and the last thing that you will do, I call it work with digits. So now I'm going to give you each rule and one example. So zero rule, x to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Any number, any variable to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 100 to the power of 0 is 1. 1 to 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Power rule is following: x to the power of n to the power of n. I'm going to multiply two exponents, so this is x m times n. For example, x squared to the power of 3 is equal x to the power of 6. Negative exponent, if I have x to the negative m, this is the same thing as 1 over x to the m. Or if I give you the example x to the negative 2, this is 1 over x squared. Product rule means when I'm multiplying two variables with the same base, I'm adding up the exponents. So this is m plus n. For example, 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 2 to the power of 8. Remember that you have to have same base. Quotient rule, I'm dividing x to the power of m divided by x to the power of n. This is equal to x m minus n. So I'm subtracting exponents. For example, 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 2. This is equal to 2 to the power of 1 or just 2. And digits, if I have, let's say, 2 to the power of 3, what I mean by the last thing, work with digits, is actually calculate, if you can, like something that's doable. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Do that. You don't have to do if you get some crazy numbers like 2 to the power of 1000. That doesn't matter. Okay, so now we are going to do one example. Let's do number 2 from your page 7. So question number 2 is 4x to the power of 3 y squared times 4x to the power of 4. If you follow my rules, you will not forget anything. So go step one by one. Number 1, do you have a zero rule? Do you need to apply it? In this case, no. Now look at the next one. Power rule. Do you have it? No. Negative exponent. Do you have a negative exponent? In this case, no. Product rule. I don't even have a product rule. I just have a quotient rule. So I will work with quotient. So x to the power of 3, x to the power of 4. I will actually have just x here. And the last thing is work with digits. So here I have 4 over 4. I will cancel them out. Remember, you have to write 1 here, y squared x, and you are finished. So please copy all the rules and try to work in this order. I promise it's going to make your life easier.